Hello everyone. So this world is where my first build was made, and it's called green because it's my favorite color. And my first build in Minecraft is a house, and here it is. I like rainbow for what it represents, so here I put glass panes in rainbow color, as well as here at the back of my bed, and a lot of green carpets because it's my favorite color, as well as here at the door. Then out, shit, oh my goodness, I accidentally destroyed the door. Wait, let's fix it. Now where is the door? Oh my goodness. Ay, ta-da! So the outside is like this. My house is a little bit elevated because I just think the view here is pretty nice. It's all greenery and some water, maybe a river, then lots of trees. So let's fly for a little bit and I'll show you the rooftop. Here it's a rainbow as well. I think this one is one of my favorite part of the house. I like this rainbow glass panes, and here you can see the inside of the house because it's transparent. And yeah, that's my first build, and I'm planning on keeping this for as long as I can because I just think it's a good build. I like this. Yeah, that's all. Now it's sunset and it's time to sleep very soon. Okay, let's see. My control is still not very good. That's why I made the door bigger so that it will be easier to enter. Let's sleep now. And okay, that's all.